Teach y'all a life lesson, man. Dogs are just like girls. They need attention. And if they don't get it, they will go to somebody else for it. Henry, stop petting them. Halo, come here. Come here, Halo. Look, I'm gonna pet her. Henry, don't pet him. I'm petting her. Come here. Why are you coming over here? Now watch this. I'm gonna pet her. Come here, boy. Boom. I'm done petting. I'm not petting no more. No. Already making their way. Do y'all get what I'm saying now? Do y'all get the analogy?